Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am taking you on a point of view drive with the new Peugeot 2008. This is the Croatian premiere of the car. It has just been launched on the market, and as you can see we have a beautiful example here in front of us. So on the front, the new face with the new lights, then you have the new daytime running LEDs and also this gloss black section here to emphasize those lights even more than the new grille. This is the new color, the launch color for this car. It looks awesome. Then you have these strong design lines, new wheels on the side, and moving on to the rear, you have the new LEDs. So the 3D LED lights at the rear are now standard, and also instead of the badge you have the Peugeot lettering in this awesome gray color. And I think the design is very nice, very clean, and as soon as you go away from the car locks itself. So let me unlock it now. Very cool animation. And then I can also open the tailgate and show you this. So you have the dual floor, and we are now ready to explore the car and take it for a point of view drive. So let's go. Car unlocks when you approach it, and there we go. Let's see it from driver's perspective. All right, and this is the view from driver's perspective. Let's start the car, and it comes to life. Beautiful layout here. Let me put the seatbelt on, and then we will be ready for the drive. So this is the gear selector for the automatic transmission, and it's the minimalistic one: drive, neutral, and reverse. Also the car has got the new cameras, so you see very good quality of the picture. And yeah, well, without further ado, let's go for a drive. And actually I can show you the specifications for the model in our video. So it's the PureTech 130, so the petrol version with 130 horsepower, and the prices are here. I will put the details in the description. You saw the other Peugeot 2008 passing by, so we are at the Croatian premiere. This car is finished in the gray Selenium color, beautiful color. It was reserved for the 508 PSE, and now we have it here as a launch color. And yeah, 9.4 seconds to reach 100, top speed 198 kilometers per hour. And without further ado, let's put it to drive, release the electronic parking brake, and off we go. So it's a well-known ambient here, but now we have the 10-inch screen as standard with the new infotainment system. In front of the driver there is the 10-inch digital cockpit, so the iCockpit, and the GT version has got the 3D iCockpit, which is very cool, and you have very nice graphics in front of you. You can also change the views that you see in front of you. For example, you can have the driving view. You can also personalize the views, and depending on what you need the most. I prefer this dials. I think this looks very cool, and you have all the info that you need. Now this is the new infotainment system, very easy to use it. And yeah, well, also here you have the wireless charging pad for your phone, and the minimalistic design of this gear selector. And the manual transmission, which is also available, has a different design as well, so the new gear lever for the manual. Speaking about the powertrains, there are many options available. So this is, as I already told you, 130 horsepower PureTech petrol engine. You can also get the 100 horsepower petrol with manual transmission. Then you can also get the diesel, 130 horsepower diesel, also available. And there is the new electric version with 156 horsepower and improved battery and improved range. So it's got the 54 kilowatt hour battery. And there will also be a 48 volt hybrid with 136 horsepower available next year, I think in the early 2024. So really a lot of options. Tell me in the comments what would be your choice. And the indicators, they have this relaxing sound, and you can see them in here. Speaking about this small steering wheel, it's a well-known thing on Peugeot models. I really love it. Tell me in the comments what are your thoughts if you have driven one, or if not, I think you will really love it because it's so easy to drive the car with it, and definitely feels so nice in corners as well. So in my opinion, this is a big plus. And also it's nice to see this digital cockpit with 3D view. It's a bit of a rush over here in Zagreb. So let me show you the AC controls. So they are on touch. Here is where you adjust the air blower, and then you can adjust the temperature in here. So it's not hard, but I would still prefer the buttons for that. Tell me in the comments what are your thoughts. And now let me go back to the home menu, and let's check out the navigation. And on navigation you can see the lovely 3D view of the buildings. So on our right we have the National Theatre, and you can see it here as well. And you can have the day view or night view. You can adjust all of those things in the settings, of course. And the car has got the start-stop system, so if you press this you go into settings for the car, and now you can deactivate it. But another thing that I would love to have on button, and also one cool detail. Now look at the navigation with a 3D view of the buildings, and stay tuned for the night point of view drive with the details during the night and the ambient lights. I will show you them as well, but you would be able to see more details during the night drive. And this car has got different driving modes: sport, normal and eco, but we will drive it in normal now. We are here in the city, and there are some buttons here on the steering wheel as well. This is to change the volume. Then you have list and change of track, radio stations. So yeah, those are the options here. Of course you can take the phone call by pressing this button, or call someone, of course. Car has also got the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and it feels so nice behind the steering wheel of this B segment SUV. And I want to hear your thoughts. Now I think you will be able to see the ambient lights. And one cool detail, if you press the screen with 3 fingers, then you go into this like the main menu with all the details. So yeah, you go to settings here, and now you can change the screen color. So you see there are various options, and what you can do is you can change the interior color as well. And we have the red lights, so red ambient lights, then the purple one. This is what, white, I think. And I think this looks nice because it goes with the stitching. It's here as well. I think this one stands out the most, so I will keep it like that. You can also adjust the brightness, and let's actually adjust the brightness to maximum, both for the cockpit and for the interior lighting. There we go. So this is a nice layout. Do you agree with me? And then these Alcantara seats are an optional thing. You have the massage with them as well, so you need to press the button on the seat and you get the massage. So the GT version comes with special seats, but then these are the optional things on this GT version. Speaking about the trims, Active, Allure and GT are the versions that are available, and I will put the prices in the description so you will be able to see details about pricing. Need to watch out for bikes. And we are now ready to enter this road. So yeah, share your thoughts with me. How do you like the car, and how do you like this interior, as well as the changes for the exterior as well? And well, yeah, that's it guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do subscribe, as there will be plenty of more to come. So I will try to film the night point of view drive as soon as possible. And share your thoughts with me. How do you like the car? How do you like the changes on this facelifted version? And we can put it to sport mode here. So you do have a pronounced sound of this PureTech engine, which is nice. And you see the ambient lights are now red. And let's go back to normal. The layout changes, and then eco. So it's the green lights. And yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye.